In this video, we will discuss how to unlink Google Play from eFootball. So as you can see right here, we have in here this Reddit thread posted by this user asking how to remove the Google Play link. They have their eFootball ID connected to both Konami and Google, and recently they updated their email accounts and tried to connect the various game IDs to a certain one. But the problem is that they can't unlink their Google account from eFootball, and if you're also looking to unlink it, the best answer to that is found on this thread. As you can see, it's not possible to actually unlink it directly onto your ePut wall. As you can see, there's no method to actually unlink Google Play from this actual application. So make sure that when you're trying to sign up or register for the first time, you actually have the Google account that you will use forever and ever. So do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.